Hello class, my name is Matthew McGlynn. Today's date is March 24th, 2018, and I am recording this presentation from Glassboro, New Jersey. This presentation is on creating an adaptive management plan for Yellowstone bison and the elements of environmental management. The vision statement for this adaptive management plan is as follows. The Yellowstone Bison Adaptive Management Plan is designed to develop and maintain a sustainable ecosystem for Yellowstone bison using best practices, science, and community partnerships. This plan will create the best possible outcome for the bison, stakeholders, and wider public. Some of our stakeholders involved in this adaptive management plan are the National Park Service, the USDA Forest Service, the USDA Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, Montana Department of Livestock, the Montana Fish and Wildlife, the Confederate Salish and Kootenai Tribes, the Intertribal Buffalo Council, the Nez Perce Tribe, and the American public. There are three overarching goals for this adaptive management plan. The first goal is the conservation of Yellowstone habitat. The second goal is to create sustainable populations of bison. And the third goal is to educate the public about brucellosis and disease of bison. Our objectives for the conservation of Yellowstone habitat is to preserve a balanced ecosystem in Yellowstone National Park that does not decimate new forest or grasslands by controlling the number of bison inside Yellowstone National Park. Our second goal, create sustainable populations. Our objective here is to maintain a herd of 3,000 to 4,000 bison by allowing them to be hunted outside of the park. It's also to increase bison roaming areas on public lands beyond Yellowstone National Park while increasing hunting opportunities via a lottery system to avoid the necessity of slaughterhouses. Currently, bison are sent to slaughterhouses when they leave Yellowstone National Park, especially in Montana, and this helps cull the population. There's a lot of public outcry against these slaughterhouses, and one way to avoid using them is to increase hunting opportunities using the lottery system, as I mentioned. This is also done with elk as well in the area. Our third goal of educating the public. It's important to educate local farmers about the misconceptions and reality of brucellosis. This will increase the public tolerance of bison outside Yellowstone National Park. The reason for this education is there is a substantial amount of new evidence that was not previously known about the true risk of brucellosis and how it does not. There's been no documented cases of a transmission of brucellosis from Yellowstone bison to cattle. In fact, there's a higher likelihood that cattle will get brucellosis from elk, who are allowed to freely migrate through Yellowstone National Park and the wider surrounding areas. So we need to educate the public to let them know, as well as the farmers in the area. The references for this project are as follows. Thank you.